Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we can discuss about some questions in the chapter polynomial in 10th standard CBSE. So we can move to the question. The question is, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. In my previous video we can see that if a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and a not equal to 0, that is quadratic polynomial, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a, that is minus of b means coefficient of x divided by a means coefficient of x square, and product of 0 is equal to c by a. C means constant term of the polynomial divided by a mean coefficient of x square. So we have to apply these equations. Here the problem is x square minus 2x minus 8. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial first. So for that we have to expand this polynomial first. So here see, the question is x square minus 2x minus 8. So just if we multiply x square into minus 8x, we will get minus 8x square. For expanding this polynomial, first we have to multiply x square into minus 8, that is minus 8x square, and the remaining term is minus 2x. So when we expanding this term, we have to keep x square the same and we have to expand minus 2x. We have to get two terms and the product of that two terms will be minus 80x square and the addition is minus 2x. So such term is like, we can write it as 2x minus 4x minus 8. See, x square plus 2x minus 4x, the same minus 8 here, and 2x minus 4x is minus 2x. The same polynomial I tried to expand this like this, and we can see that 2x into minus 4x is minus 8x square and 2x plus minus 4x is minus 2x. So in this way you have to expand. So we get that x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Forget the zeros of the polynomial, we have to put as equal to 0. Now you can write it as, taking x outside from this term, then x into x plus 2, right, x square plus 2x, then minus 4 into, take 4 outside, the balance is x plus 2. You can get minus 4 into x minus 4x and minus 4 into 2 minus 8 equal to 0. From these two terms you can take outside as x plus 2. Then taking outside x plus 2, the remaining is x and minus 4. Clear? Which is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. That means x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 4. So the values are x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 4. So the zeros are minus 2 and 4. Now we find the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros are minus 2 and x equal to 4. Now we have to verify the relation. What is the relation? Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. We have to show that minus b by a, and similarly product of 0 is equal to c by a. Sum of 0, the zeros are x equal to minus 2, 4. These are the zeros, and sum of 0 is sum of zeros equal to minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. And we can verify minus b by a. Minus b by a, or minus of coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 12. Then minus of minus 2 divided by a means 1, which is equal to 2. So sum of 0 is equal to 2 and minus b by a equal to 2. That means sum of 0 is equal to minus b by 2. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros is product of zeros are equal to minus 2 into 4, which is equal to minus 8. Now the term is c by a, that is the constant term. Constant term is minus 8 divided by a means 1, which is equal to minus 8. So we have verified that product of zeros equal to minus 8, which is equal to c by a. So first question we proved. And move to the next question. Second question. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. In the same way, we have to expand 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So multiplying 4s square into 1, 4s square. So keep 4s square same, then minus, we need to get to two terms, and the product of that two term is 4s square, and the addition is minus 4s. Clear? Okay, then we get the term is minus 2s plus 1. See, minus 2s into minus 2s is 4s square, and minus 2s plus minus 2s is minus 4s. So the same polynomial I tried to expand like this. So if you want to find the zeros of the polynomial, equating the polynomial to 0, then taking outside 2s into, then 2s minus 1 minus 2s minus 1. So 2s into 2s is 4s square minus 2s into 1 minus 2s, then minus 2s minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Then from this term, taking 2s minus 1 outside, then from in this equation, if we take outside 2s minus 1, the balance is 2s, and here the balance is minus 1, which is equal to 0. That is 2s minus 1 equal to 0, or 2s minus 1 equal to 0. That is 2s equal to 1, or 2s equal to 1, or s equal to 1 by 2, or s equal to 1 by 2. That means the same root. s equal to 1 by 2 is the roots. So this is a quadratic polynomial and the degree is 2. So it has the two zeros, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The zeros are s equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Now we have to verify this. Sum of 0 is equal to minus b by a and the product of 0 is equal to c by a, where b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. Now here sum of zeros is, sum of zeros are equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now minus b by a, here b is minus 4, so minus of minus 4 divided by a is 4, which is equal to 1. So the sum of 0 is equal to 1 and b minus b by a equal to 1. So here verified. Now product of zeros, product of zeros equal to, the zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. The product are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Now c by a equal to, here c is 1 and a is 4, 1 by 4. So it's verified. Third question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Here we have to rearrange the polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Here is the polynomial. Now we have to expand in the same way, multiplying 6x square into minus 3, it is minus 18x square. So we have to find two terms and the product is minus 8x square, minus 18x square and the sum is minus 7x. The terms are minus 9x comma 2x. The product is minus 9x into 2x is minus 18x square and the sum is minus 7x. Now 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 equal to 0. If you find the zeros of the polynomial, you have to equate the polynomial with a 0. So here x square is the same, 2x minus 9x is 7x and minus 3 the same, equal to 0. Now taking 2x outside, the balance is 3x plus 1 minus taking 3 outside, then 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Here minus 3 into 3x is minus 9x, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Now from in these two terms, taking 3x plus 1 outside, 3x plus 1 taking outside, the balance is 2x and here the balance is minus 3 equal to 0. Now 3x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1 by 3 or x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore the zeros are x equal to minus 1 by 3 comma 3 by 2. Now we have to verify this condition. Sum of 0 is equal to minus b by a and the product of 0 is equal to c by a. The sum of 0 is equal to sum of zeros equal to sum of zeros equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Taking LCM, then 6 as LCM, then it will be minus 2 plus my 9 divided by 6, which is equal to 7 by 6, and minus b by a equal to minus b by a equal to minus of b is minus 7 divided by 6, which is equal to 7 by 6. The sum of zeros equal to 7 by 6, which is equal to minus b by a. Hence it is verified. And now the second one is product of zeros equal to my c by a. Product of zeros equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 6. Now c by a is equal to, here c is minus 3 by a is 6. Here the product of zeros is minus 3 by 6, and which is equal to c by a. Hence it is verified. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.